Hey everyone, Miguel Feliciano here, the veteran investor and your veteran agent. I'm actually up on my roof right now. As you'll see, I'm actually on my roof right now. I'm cleaning my gutters. So here's the thing, with Hurricane Dorian coming in, we're not really sure exactly where it's going to hit. But I'm taking precautions anyways by cleaning my gutters. And here's what my gutter looks like right now. It looks pretty nasty, and it's mainly because of this tree here. This tree tends to shed quite a bit during the spring and summer. And what I'm doing is cleaning out the gutter, which will help protect my home and my investments, which is my family and my home. And you should be doing the same thing as well. So if you own a home, you live in a home, either you own it or you rent it, you're definitely going to take some precautions. Even if the storm does not hit Tampa or anywhere near where you live, you're going to want to take some precautions and go ahead and clean out your gutters. They're supposed to work for you by having that water kind of move away from the roof, out away from the house. And if you have trees like I do, like this tree here, that shed quite a bit during the spring and summer, you're definitely going to want to get up on the roof, or use a pretty high ladder or a big ladder to get as close as you possibly can. Either get some gloves or a broom or a stick or whatever it is, and just clean that sucker out, clean that gutter, so that the roof will be protected during the storm or any heavy rains. So with that, it's Miguel Feliciano signing out.